Hong Kong, Reuters, Xiaomi Corp made a week debut in Hong Kong on Monday, with the Chinese smartphone maker a Euro trademark S shares sliding as much as 6% on valuation concerns, in an ominous sign for its technology sector peers lining up listings in the city. A packed initial public offering, IPO, calendar in the coming months will include a $4 billion deal from online food delivery to ticketing services platform Meituan Dianping and an up to $10 billion IPO from China Tower, the world a Euro trademark S largest mobile tower operator. Given the targeted high valuations of many new economy IPO hopefuls and the number of IPOs going forward, it will be challenging for the market to digest all of them, said Hong Hao, chief strategist at brokerage Bocom International. Xiaomi shares closed at HK $16.80, having touched a low of HK 16 in early trade, compared to the IPO price of HK 17 per share. The main Hong Kong stock market index ended 1.3% higher. Xiaomi priced the IPO at the bottom of the range it offered, in a deal worth $4.72 billion, the world a Euro trademark S biggest technology float in almost 4 years. The listing came, however, as escalating trade tensions between the United States and China have shaken markets over the past several weeks. The spat pushed Hong Kong a Euro trademark S benchmark index to a 9-month low last week. 51 Credit Card, a Chinese online credit management company, raised HK $1 $127 million, from a Hong Kong IPO after pricing it at the bottom of an indicative price range, Thomson Reuters publication IFR reported on Monday. Asked at the listing ceremony on Monday if the low pricing of Xiaomi and some other tech firms will weigh on upcoming IPOs, Hong Kong Stock Exchange CEO Charles Lee said it was not up to the exchange to have a view, a Euro or ETH market is always open. A Euro trademark S open to everybody, if you don't a Euro trademark T like the price, you can stay away a Euro. Valuation. Xiaomi a Euro trademark S IPO valued the firm, which also makes internet-connected home appliances and gadgets, at $54 billion, almost half the $100 billion it had initially hoped for and below its more recent target of at least $70 billion. At Monday a Euro trademark S closing price the company had a market value of $53.3 billion. Xiaomi a Euro trademark S IPO had been expected to raise up to $10 billion, split between a Hong Kong and a mainland offering, which was postponed last month in a surprise move. The HK 17 price valued the company at 39.6 times its forecast 2018 earnings, while iPhone maker Apple is trading at 16 times and Chinese social media and gaming giant Tencent Holdings at 36. Mo Chia, a Shanghai-based analyst with industry consultancy Canalys, said the week debut was to be expected. A Euro or ETH market environment is getting conservative. Most recent floats in Hong Kong dropped below IPO prices. Xiaomi a Euro trademark S self-positioning as an internet company also needs some convincing a Euro, he added. While the company makes more than 90% of its revenues from selling smartphones and other devices, through which it offers online services, it has pushed to be viewed as an internet-based company. Such firms tend to carry far higher valuations than device makers. A Euro we are an internet firm a Euro Xiaomi a Euro trademark S founder and chief executive Lei Jun told the listing ceremony at the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. A Euro or from day one, we Euro trademark VE set up a dual-class share structure. Without the innovation of Hong Kong a Euro trademark S capital markets, we wouldn't a Euro trademark T get a chance to go public in Hong Kong a Euro, he said. Xiaomi a Euro trademark S float was the first under the CIT a Euro trademark S new rules allowing firms to weight voting rights in favor of company founders, as part of efforts to encourage more tech groups to choose Hong Kong over New York, its arch-rival. Xiaomi sold 2.18 billion shares in its IPO, 1.4 billion of which were new shares. The deal was led by CLSA, Goldman Sachs, and Morgan Stanley. The company is now the biggest smartphone vendor in India and is pushing into European markets including Spain and Russia, though it has lost share in China recently to lower-cost rivals.